Hey everybody, welcome back to Killing in the Kitchen. Okay, we're here with another food review. This time, we went to a little store in Concorton, Pennsylvania. It's called Miller's Country Store. It's kind of like a little Amish run store. Uh, we heard about it. We wanted to go out there and try some different cheeses. So today, let's get a close up of them. Today we have a dill Havarti. It's a real creamy cheese with dill in it. This one is a smoked hot pepper cheese. Smells really good. This one is a scorpion pepper cheese. I have a feeling these two are going to bite back. Um, so we're going to give them a try. Price point, if you like different cheeses, they're not too badly priced. The Del Havarti was, I think, $8.49 a pound. I just got a few slices. The smoked hot pepper cheese was what, eight
No, it's four
or
$4.99 a
okay,
pound.
$4.99 a pound. The scorpion pepper cheese was $8.99 a pound. Like I said, we just wanted to try a different couple kinds. I will give you a spoiler though. They have something there that I'm going to be trying. We are going to cook up and we're going to try it. They have a buffalo chicken sausage that has blue cheese right in it. I seen that today. We're definitely going to get that. They have like they make chorizo and everything. All the sausages and stuff they make right out there. We're gonna try them. So we figured might as well try some cheeses to go with them. So that's what we're gonna do today. And I think just because I'm egging for pain, we're gonna try with the pepper ones. Now I've tried the smoked pepper before. It's got some heat, but it has a really nice smoke flavor. Um,
Good idea because you start hot, go backwards, and hopefully the other stuff will cool your
that's
mouth.
what I'm thinking that Dill Havarti is gonna calm it right down because I think that one's gonna really kick me. The scorpion pepper. I
Might
mean,
as
you
well
can.
start hot.
It looks hot. Oh no, we're gonna start with the smoked. What I like about this is you can definitely tell they took their time to smoke it. It's got a really nice, decent smoke ring, and I mean, you just man, that smells really good. There's nothing better than a smoked cheese. Well, the only other thing that's better than smoked cheese is smoked salt. But like this smoked cheese just has a really nice flavor. But
Oh,
it's
you're,
still creamy.
you're not doing the whole slice?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
got some heat to it. Once you start chewing it up, like it's creamy, and you can feel it. Like wherever you're chewing, like this whole side of my mouth is like, I don't know, it's not bad. It's got a little bit of heat to it. Um, Not bad. It's kind of perfect because you get a little bit of the smoke, you get a little bit of the pepper, and then, like I said, the creaminess of the cheese. I think that probably helps to displace the heat a little bit. Um, but you can tell that it's a creamy cheese because it's soft, it's pliable. So, but yeah, I like that. That would be really good on a burger. Yeah, or even my son-in-law wants to try a spicy chicken lasagna. Maybe we'll get some of that to put over the top of the lasagna. Maybe we'll get some of this bad boy put in the lasagna. I'm not looking forward to this. Look at this. You got,
it doesn't look that bad.
no, but for being a slice of cheese, you got some pretty big pieces of pepper in there, and we're just gonna take one of the bigger pieces.
Just break it in half and just eat half of it.
Okay,
Don't eat the whole thing.
all right. Let's see. This one, it's a little harder, like a little more crumbly, but it's probably because it's like a cheddar based cheese.
Yeah.
And like I said, I mean, there's quite a bit of the pepper flakes in there, and you can see them in there if you get close. but smells really good. You can smell the pepper and you can smell the cheddar. You get the pepper. Oh yeah. The first when you first bite down into it, it just starts spreading. Mm-hmm. Holy. Definitely not like a pepper I've tasted. That one hits you quick and hard.
Are you glad you did half a slice?
Wow. That spread really fast. Glad I saved this. It's good cheese though. That'll go good in lasagna. I will use it too, even though it's hot as heck. It's still all around the mouth, even though I chewed it on this side. It went all over. Got some eye waters. The inside of the mouth is sweating. Definitely got the burn on your tongue. I can actually feel a burn on my gums where I was chewing. Like I could feel it on my gums. Them peppers must have a lot of oils like in them because that's got some staying power. I mean, even with taking a couple drinks of that milkshake. Now, the Dill Havarti,
That's a lot bigger slice too.
it is, but I mean, you can see all the dill in there, and I love this cheese. I mean, you can see how pliable it is. It melts really nice, and they got a ton of dill in there. I'm trying to get that, but I want to see, even with like taking a couple drinks of milk, I want to see, how long it takes for that to start coming down. It's got a good taste though. It's hot, but you can actually taste the taste of the pepper other than the heat. It's a good cheese. That's good. You can really taste the dill.
Somebody have the sniffles?
Yes, that's from the scorpion bite. as soon as you as soon as you put this in your mouth and start eating it, it just starts melting. It's very creamy. Yeah. I would like to try and make a chicken cordon bleu. Instead of using Swiss, use some of this. I think the dill and the ham inside the chicken would go really well together. Mm. Yeah, I think we'll definitely be going out there to try some more cheeses. Let's see what all else they got out there. I think these were the two pepper cheeses they had, right? Other than just regular hot pepper.
Yeah.
They have hot pepper, they have smoked hot pepper.
And they had ghost pepper too.
And, well, yeah, they had the ghost pepper and then the scorpion pepper. I wonder what the scorpion pepper would taste like smoked. Add another layer of flavor that you would probably catch on the back end after you got the burn done. The burn is still there, not near as bad as it was when I first bit into it, but you can still feel the heat. Some peppers, like even like a pepper cheese, because it's pepper cheese, when you get the real hot ones, it kind of makes your mouth feel, I don't know what you want to say, like gummy, like it's gooey or something because of the pepper and the cheese. It just feels weird. But the heat is starting to go away now. So, all right. Well, there you go. If you're ever in Cockerton, Pennsylvania, and you want a good cheese, check out Miller's Country Store. Well, I'm in storage a little out of the way, but for the quality and the price, I'd say it's well worth it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down, leave us a comment. Facebook info is in the link in the description. Thank you.